There's Lydia rolling over. Oh, almost. There she goes. And back. You do it again. There she goes. And back. And, oh, almost. Today was the first day she rolled over at daycare, and she took a little nap on her tummy. Don't worry, they kept checking on her to make sure she was okay. She slept for 2 full hours on her tummy in her crib. Hey, Evan. Are you kicking? You rolled over on your side today. Yeah. That was fun. You're not going to do it, Lydia. Not now. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow. You're funny, Evan. You're a funny boy. Are you smiling? Can you smile? Huh? Yeah? No, I'm just gonna kick.